Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can use two WhatsApp accounts on one phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. Now tap on Settings. Now tap on the plus icon on the top right side and tap on Add WhatsApp account. Now a new page will appear. Tap on Agree and continue. Now select your country here. I am selecting Bangladesh as I am from Bangladesh. Now enter your phone number here without country code. Now tap on Next. If your number is correct, then WhatsApp will automatically start verifying your phone number. I recommended inserting the SIM card into your phone before creating or adding the account, so WhatsApp can easily verify your phone through a call or verification code. As you can see, our account has been verified. It shows verified. Now let me tap on Continue. If this is a new account, WhatsApp will ask you to set a profile name. Let me set mine. Now tap on Next. Now you can add an email address on your WhatsApp account. If you don't want to add an email address, you just simply tap on Skip. You can see WhatsApp is asking to set a chat theme, but I don't want to choose a chat theme now, so I am pressing Skip. And that's it. Another WhatsApp account has been added successfully. Now if you want to switch back to your previous account, simply tap on the three dot icon. Then you can see a new option here called Switch Account. Tap on the Switch Account option and you can easily switch back to the previous account. By following the same process, you can switch between both accounts if you want. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.